I'm so happy that I'm here at this point for my MPhil graduation, and I would soon like myself to be back here for the doctorate graduation. Hi, my name is Kritika and I'm from Singapore. I've been in the education industry for 20 over years as an instructional designer who's very much associated with e-learning right from 2001, and I just moved to teaching young children. So when I caught up with this ad on LinkedIn about Exeed, it was quite interesting because it's when I realized that I can continue my education and complete a doctorate online, which was not the case before COVID. So I took this opportunity and I enrolled, and I'm very happy I did that because it's going to be a culmination of my journey of learning. Not that I'm going to stop learning at this, so I will continue to learn. It's been a very good experience with Exeed because of the timings and connectivity to other professionals around the world. I'm so happy that I'm here at this point for my MPhil graduation, and I would soon like myself to be back here for the doctorate graduation. Thank you.